Hi, I am Sajal Debnath. I am a staff customer success architect with VMware, and I am based out of Bangalore, India currently. When I started learning VMware, at that time there were no hands-on labs, so it was difficult for me to get a lab environment where I can try the things that I have learned. So the moment hands-on labs were available, I started learning a ton from actually doing the stuff that I have learned from the documentation. I thought, why not give back to the community? I was told that there's a new chapter of hands-on labs that is going to be started, which is Odyssey Labs. It's good to learn the technology, but it's better to check your knowledge. You can actually play short games and then see where you stand in terms of your understanding and applying that understanding. The challenge is building an Odyssey lab is we always check whether it was successful or not manually or through scripts. I would check the documentation for the details of the REST APIs. I would go to code.vmware.com for checking if there is something existing there or more details. And then I would go to hands-on labs because that's where you can actually try and test what you are building. This year, I'm developing a lab, which is more cutting edge technology from VMware, which is Tanzu, which is inbuilt into vSphere. I see a lot of our customers utilizing vSphere with Tanzu. I'm excited because this is what the future is. The containerization, the Kubernetes clusters, and then testing your knowledge on that particular aspect is going to be both challenging and rewarding. I have seen the live games, seeing how everyone are responding to the tasks and how enthusiastic they are, getting the validation of their knowledge. If you are someone who is starting or midway in your journey, Odyssey Labs would give you an excellent opportunity to test your knowledge.